welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at deployment run launch options. If you would like to review the process for launching a deployment run, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. By default, your deployment run will start building as soon as resources are available. That said, you can schedule the deployment run to launch at a specified date and time. And if you turn on time to live, you can set your run to release after a given amount of time, in this case, 30 minutes. You also have the option to set up a recurring schedule. Doing so allows you to launch the run hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly on a given day, at a given time, and for a set number of occurrences. Please be aware that you cannot add a recurring schedule to a quick build. Moving on, you can check this box here to automatically release the run once it finishes building. As always, you have the option to retain the deployment on error. And if you are launching into an Azure cloud space, you can boot your hosts in debug mode for more advanced diagnostics. You also have the option to turn on the run lock. By activating run lock, no one, not even a site admin, can release your run. But be aware that a locked run will continue to honor its recurring schedule and its power management settings. And speaking of power management, you can configure an automated power management schedule to power off your virtual machines in order to cut down on resource consumption. You can choose from the options on screen, economy mode, cost saving, and weekend shutdown, or you can create a custom power schedule by checking these boxes and moving these sliders. Keep in mind that a power management schedule will not release your run, only power off its virtual hosts. Now let's move on to the next page. If you are launching into an AWS or Azure cloud space, you'll have the option to select an instance type from the drop-down menu here. If you do not want to specify the instance type family, simply leave it on best matches. And if you're deploying a vGPU-enabled run into a vCloud cloud space, you'll need to pick the GPU profile. Otherwise, go ahead and submit your run, and you will see information, for example, about your scheduler on the run overview page. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.